Hi, this is Sai from affiliateship.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about mentors in general and who I consider to be my affiliate marketing mentor. Okay, so one of the fastest paths to increasing your chances of success in any industry that you want to excel in is to find and learn from a mentor in the industry, who's already achieved massive success to the levels that you want to achieve and you aspire to. So rather than getting bits of knowledge from one person here and there, and bits of knowledge from another person, a more effective way is to simply learn straight from a single person, single source, and it's more effective as well. And that single source could be a mentor. Okay. An important thing to ensure is that the person that you want to learn from has actually produced results that you aspire to achieve. Okay, so it can't just be anyone, someone who's actually been there in the trenches, done what you want to do and what you want to achieve, the results, income, whatever it is, and then you can learn from them. Okay, so in fact, my affiliate marketing mentor, who I consider to be my mentor, he says that you should learn from someone who's achieved 10 times more than what you want to achieve. Okay, so if you want to earn, say for example, 100k per year in affiliate marketing, find someone who's done 1 million a year, okay, 10x that in affiliate marketing, and you can learn from them. So because learning from someone who's done 10 times more, most likely will have acquired more tactics, more knowledge, skills, of the trade, which you yourself can benefit from. And learn from someone who's done 10 times more, than what you want to achieve may give you more, chances, more probability of reaching your income goal than learning from someone who's made the same amount that you want to make. Okay, so it just works in your favor as well. So mentors have been in there, in the trenches and a vast experience. They can show you exactly what to do to get results. They can also advise you what not to do, potential pitfalls to avoid so you can save money as well. Not go through these routes that not working. Mentors also can help you fast track your way to success. You'll become a better, improved person as you also learn success traits you'll pick up from them. And they can also help you reach your goals faster. For those reasons and more, that's the path I personally went with when it comes to learning about affiliate marketing, which of course I'm passionate about. So if you're interested in learning from a mentor that has phenomenal success in affiliate marketing, then I just want to introduce you to to a master, I reckon, in my opinion, in affiliate marketing, and someone who I consider, my affiliate marketing mentor. When I say master, it's not just my opinion. That he's trained, millions of people as well. All right. So his name is Vic Streishaus. Vic is a hugely successful internet entrepreneur with over 14 years of experience in entrepreneurship, marketing, affiliate marketing specifically. It's a picture there of myself and Vic in an event. Vic is the founder of 4%, a company specializing in world-class entrepreneurship education resources. And the 4% company have also achieved a 5-star rating on Trustpilot. If you don't know about Trustpilot, it's the leading independent review site where people who have, deal with any companies, purchase products, they can leave a review for that company on Trustpilot, and it's the number 1 leading review site. So they got 5-star rating currently in Trustpilot. So that goes to show the company is producing high value, premium value, quality products. So Vic is a multiple 7-figure earner and has proven to dominate leaderboards and contests, whenever he's promoting affiliate products. So one example I want to share with you. Previously, he participated in an affiliate program, and he was able to generate over $720,000 in affiliate commissions in around 27 days or so as an affiliate. Okay, less than 30 days, he generated $720,000 in affiliate commissions alone, right? And that was despite the fact that there were already over 140,000 affiliates promoting the same line of products, and I was an affiliate as well at that time. And some would say it's a saturated market, over 100,000 affiliates, and he managed to join the company at that time, and within weeks, basically, he generated over 720k in affiliate commissions. So that says something about Vic. Very skillful, and he knows what he's doing. Okay, so in his personal life, Vic is a proud husband, father of 6, and a family-oriented man. I'm sure one of his whys is, to provide best for his family, especially coming from working class background, and just like many of us. So today, Vic's coached over 3 million people worldwide, directly and indirectly, in over 180 countries across the globe. So he's helped people just like me and you, complete beginners as well, to start their affiliate marketing businesses and earn their first ever commissions. And in fact, I'm proud and I'm happy to say and give credit where it's due that I personally earned my first ever commissions by learning from Vic's training strategies and applying them. Okay, and over the years I've learned a great deal from Vic, not just on affiliate marketing topics, but topics on success improvement, marketing, business, entrepreneurship, and wealth generation. Like I said before about mentors, you don't just learn tricks of the trade. You learn other things well. They pass on other knowledge and skills, and wisdom from their own experiences. So that's what I said when I although I consider him to be my affiliate marketing mentor, I've learned a lot of other things from Vic as well, which is shared with us. Okay, so now that you may be thinking it must have cost me a lot, well, not really, because I simply learned from Vic in a kind of indirect way through his courses, workshops, and free trainings that he has available online. Okay, and also I went to his one of his events as well, an event that he gave a talk on, a training on. And learning in this way is the most cost efficient and effective way to learn, as it can help you retain information and reference back to the topics that you're learning, because you would have access to trainings in record and documented format, usually available online. So that's the way I learned from Vic, through his trainings and courses, that which he made available online. And thanks to Vic for that. Okay, so at the end of the day, he doesn't have to do this. He can literally go out on his own and just earn whatever commission that he wants. But he chose to help people, what he learned, what he applied, and shared this information, that was working for him, works for him, and he continues to do so to this day. And that's very nice of him, generous of him, of course. And of course, not all successful people in their respective industries will have courses and trainings available for you to learn from, whichever field that you're in. However, luckily, as I said, for one of Vic's passions is to teach, help, and inspire people to go out there and become successful affiliate entrepreneurs. Therefore, Vic has generously developed some great value trainings and courses for anyone to learn from. And 4%, his company is also one of the trainings, well, a couple of trainings he has on affiliate marketing as well, that anyone can learn from. One of the courses is his hugely successful training program called on affiliate marketing. It's called Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing. And to be honest, to call it a training program, obviously I've personally enrolled in the training program, and to call it a training program would be an understatement. Honestly, it's more of a transformational program where Vic takes you by the hand, teach you step by step, on how to become the greatest version of yourself, and of course a successful affiliate entrepreneur. So that's what I mean by training, saying that it's a transformational program, not just a training program. Affiliate marketing, it literally changes you from the inside out to become a better person, improved person, okay, of yourself. And of course, you learn the affiliate marketing aspects as well, combined. So it's really, great. So I've written a review of the Success Challenge. If you want to learn more about the program, I will put a link in the YouTube description below. You can check it out if you want to. Vic also has a free advanced affiliate marketing workshop, like a taster if you like. And that taster alone, it's an online workshop. I think it's about an hour and a half long or something, but it's that alone you can get a lot of nuggets, ideas that can help you, with your affiliate marketing if you're interested. It's a free advanced workshop, and you can learn some of Vic's $1 million strategies. Literally, he shares them, blueprints on this free workshop. For example, you learn how Vic went from $0 to generating over $11,000 per day in affiliate marketing. So if you want to also, check that workshop out, it's totally free. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below. You can do so. So that's about it really for this video. Affiliate marketing, choosing mentors is, can help you definitely, fast track your way to success. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, I'll share with you my own, who I consider to be my affiliate marketing mentor. I follow Vic, I learn from Vic, and it's great. So if you're interested, check some of these links out that I'm going to share with you. I believe it will definitely benefit you like it did me. So if you want to access that training that I mentioned, the advanced workshop, totally free workshop from Vic, you can access it from one of my resources. Resources I've included. So if you go to affiliateship.com/free, you get that training, also some more affiliate marketing resources to help you build your affiliate marketing business, and you can check that out. It's definitely useful and helpful, beneficial for you. So if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.